Students, today I'm going to teach you an important topics of Boyle's law. Robert Boyle studied systematically the relationship between pressure and volume. In 1662, he studied that. He found when pressure is doubled, the volume becomes half of its initial volume. And further he found that when pressure is reduced to one-fourth, the volume becomes 4 times of its initial volume. He described all this experiment in the form of Boyle's law. And finally he told Boyle's law as the volume of certain mass of a dry gas at constant temperature is inversely proportional to its pressure. My dear students, now we will understand on the board. Let initial volume is equal to V1 and initial pressure will be P2. P1. Initial pressure will be P1. According to the Boyle's rule, here certain mass of a dry gas, the volume is inversely proportional to its pressure at constant temperature. Now we will write this statement in the form of relationship. So V1 is inversely proportional to P1. Here we remove the proportionality constant, then we will get V1 is equal to K by P1. Now we do the cross multiplication between P1 and B1. So it will be P1 is equal to B1 is K. This is one equation. If the volume is changed to V2, pressure will change to P2. Then pressure will be changed to P2. Now again we get relationship V2 proportional 1 by P2. It means V2 inversely proportional to P2. When we remove this again proportionality constant again, V2 is equal to K by P2. We do the cross multiplication, then we get P2 into V2, P2 V2, P2 V2, P2 into V2, P2 V2 is equal to K. This is the second equation. Understand? This is the second equation. Now from first and second we see of both the equations right side is k. So left side will also be equal. Right sides are equal. So left side will also equal. Thus we get, now we get P1 B1 is equal to P2 B2. This form of equation is known as a Boyle's equation. My dear student, this form of equation is known as a Boyle's equations. My dear students, you can see from equation 1 or equation 2. And we can give the definition of Boyle's law in another way. Here you are seeing in the first equation P1 into B1. It means P multiplied by B1 is equal to K. And in second P2 into B2, yani P multiplied B2 is equal to K. It means we are saying in both the case the products remain constant. The product of pressure and volume remain constant. Then Boyle's law can be also stated as the product of pressure and volume remain always constant of certain mass of a dry gas at constant pressure. This is another way to tell the Boyle's law. My dear students, all of you have understood this Boyle's law very well. And in the last, all of you have good day. Enjoy the life. Thank you very much.